we have to discuss very important CET questions about mathematics. Now, first question: if 3a plus 4 into transpose of b is equal to first row elements 7, minus 10, 17, second row elements 0, 6, 31, and 2b minus 3 into transpose of a is equal to first row elements minus 1, 18, 4, 0, minus 5, minus 7. Then matrix B is equal to what? Option A 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 4. Option B minus 1, minus 18, 4, minus 16, minus 5, minus 7. Option C 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 4. Option D 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 4. Out of 4 options, which is the answer? First, write the given equations. 3a plus 4 into transpose of b is equal to 7, minus 10, 17, 0, 6, 31, and second equation 2b minus 3 into transpose of a minus 1, 18, 4, 0, minus 5, minus 17. In transpose concept bandaga, transpose of conditions are very important. Now, we know that transpose of a transpose of the transpose of a matrix is always equal to A. And transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus a transpose of B. Transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus a transpose of B. Verify agate. At the same time, transpose of A minus B is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. Now, these conditions ke nanu ee law apply martene. Now, take transpose of on both sides. 2b minus 3a transpose of transpose is equal to transpose of this row na column madi minus 1, 18, 4, 0, minus 5, minus 7. This is in the form of a minus b whole transpose. The transpose of a minus b is equal to what? Transpose of a minus transpose of b. Now, 2 into transpose of b minus 3 into transpose of the transpose is always equal to a. That is equal to minus 1, 4, minus 5, 18, 0, minus 7. Call it as 2. This is 1 anta karitare. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Without this, this is 2 transpose of b minus 3a is equal to minus 1, 4, minus 5, 18, 0, minus 7. Plus 3a minus 3a get cancelled. 4 transpose of b plus 2 transpose of b is the reward. 6 transpose of b is equal to 7 minus 1, 6. Minus 10 plus 4 minus 6, 17, minus 5, 12, 0 plus 18, 18, 6 plus 0, 6, 31 minus 7, 24. Transpose of B is equal to 6 by 6, 1, minus 6 by 6, minus 1, 12 by 6, 2. 18 by 6, 3, 6 by 6, 1, 24 by 6, 4. Transpose of B is equal to this, B is equal to what? Transpose of a transpose is always equal to what? B. Transpose of a transpose is always equal to A. Now, row the column will be 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. This is the matrix B. Out of 4 options, which is the answer? 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 4. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Second one, if matrix A 1, 3, 4, 2, matrix B 2, minus 1, 1, 2, then determinant of A into B into transpose of B is equal to option A 50, option B 100, option C minus 250, option D 250. Now given determinant of A into B into transpose of B is always is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B into determinant of transpose of B. ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Row changes to column, column changes to row, the value of the delta does not change. Now determinant of A 2 minus 12 minus 10 into determinant of B 4 plus 1 5. Other value 5 ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಆ kind of property. 5 into 5 25 into 10 minus 250. Minus 250 is the answer. Out of 4 options, option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Third one. 2132 into A. 2132 into A is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Then matrix A is equal to option A 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. Option B minus 2 1 3 minus 2. Option C 2 minus 1 3 2. Option D 2 1 3 2. Now we know that A into B is equal to identity. It means B is the inverse of A. Here it goes to B. B into A is equal to what? I. Identity avare kottibitidare. A is the inverse of B is equal to what? 1 over determinant of B into adjoint A. 1 over determinant of B 4 minus 1 4 minus 3 1 1 by 1. Adjoint B ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ adjoint B ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ interchange the principal diagonal elements. 2 1 goes to minus 1 3 goes to minus 3 2 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. 2 minus 1 minus 3 2 is the matrix A. Now which is the option out of 4? A 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. Option A is the answer. Fourth one, the value of third order determinant, the elements 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89. ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. In third order, elements are in consecutive. Elements ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ any big number, not only 81, 82, 83. Suppose 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ their value is always is equal to 0. Option D is the answer. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು V1 ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 2000 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 2000 2001 2002 2003. In second order, the elements, any elements which are in order without expansion, its value is always equal to minus 2. Option E is the answer. Nodi, any big number, not only 2000, suppose 20,000, 20,001, 20,002, 20,003 ಇರಲಿ, 30,000, 50,000 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ದೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು minus 2. ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ CETಗೆ, ನೀಟ್ಗೆ, CUETಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟನ್ನು, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರನ್ನು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಗುಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ CET exam. That is very important condition. Are the very important CET results in mathematics. ಈಗೇನು CET ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. CETನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.